Hi guys, what's up? Magandang gabi. Ako nga pala si Lilan, OFW dito sa May Jeddah. May mga kababayan po tayo inboxing. Yung iba nagtatanong sa comment section regarding kung paano daw mag-transfer ng pera from local banks to any other wallets po dito sa Saudi Arabia. Yung wallets na tinatawag like yung pinaka-common dito sa Saudi, yung STC Pay, yung OrPay, and then yung Tikmo, yung pinakabagong wallets. So, madali lang po mag-transfer ng pera from local bank to any wallets. Basta alam nyo lang po yung IBAN number or yung tinatawag na international bank account number po. Napakahalaga po yun para ma-register yung IBAN na yun sa ating local banks. Let's say po sa Saudi National Bank, sa Alinma Bank. So this video po in particular lang po sa Alinma Bank which I have available right now. So Alinma Bank to OrPay po siya. So makikita nyo po dyan sa video kung paano ko po re-register yung OrPay. Then after ma-register, kailangan siyang i-activate. Then after activation, so magta-try ako magpadala ng 50 reals po. And please take note po, real time po yung pag-credit ng padala from Alinma to OrPay. So it's the same lang po sa lahat ng bangko. Just take note lang po na don't send money during weekend kasi minsan may chance na hindi agad ma-credit yung pera. So it will be credited the next banking day. Yun po yung aking experience. So I suggest don't transfer during weekend. Even po sa Pilipinas, don't transfer kapag weekend kasi medyo may delay po siya. So before we proceed guys, again, I'm asking your kind support to please don't forget to follow and share na din po. So maraming salamat and see you po. Hi guys, welcome back. Dito sa video gagamitin natin yung Alinma Bank. So from here, click natin yung add beneficiary. And then of course, click local banks. Then input natin yung beneficiary information like full name. Let's say I'm going to enter my own account sa OrPay. And then kailangan din natin nilagay yung nickname. And then sabi ko nga kailangan talaga yung IBAN number. Let's say punta tayo sa ating OrPay account. Click lang natin yung add money. And then from here makikita agad natin yung affiliated bank account number or yung tinatawag na IBAN number. I-copy lang natin yung IBAN number. Then balik tayo sa Alinma Bank. Then i-paste natin dito yung IBAN number. And then right after, i-click lang natin yung next. And then confirm po natin siya. Then makikita natin na beneficiary added success. Then kailangan talaga natin i-activate yung ating beneficiary. We can activate mo by calling us. So hintayin natin yung tawag ng bangko. You will receive an automated voice call instructing you po na i-press lang yung number 1 para ma-activate yung beneficiary. And then you will receive a confirmation SMS from the bank. And then you will find that you're activated the beneficiary successfully. And after activation, try natin magpadala ng 50 reals. Of course, ilagay natin yung amount dito. And then click natin yung next. Of course, select natin yung transfer purpose like personal transfer. And then click uli natin yung next. And then makikita nyo yung information like yung bank charges na 50 halala plus yung VAT. And then just entered one time password. And then you will find transfer sent successfully. And then let's say punta tayo sa OrPay. Then refresh lang natin yung account. After refreshing, makikita nyo agad yung amount na pinadala ninyo. Let's say here 50 reals. So yun guys, ang bilis diba na credit agad. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to follow. Maraming salamat po. Bye bye.